Hello, everyone. We've got another great update for your full scope tools. Today, I'm happy to announce that the social media statistics that we originally rolled out only for Facebook and Instagram have now been rolled out to all the social media platforms. So Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, Google Business Profile, all of them are now connected to these statistics tools, which means you can now see all of the action on your social media profiles. You can see all the stats. You can see how things are doing, how's engagement, who's engaging, when are they engaging, which post do they like, etc., etc. Statistics like this are going to save you a lot of time and help you dial in and focus on what's really working for your business so that you can start to really grow your following and your presence online and, of course, grow your business with it. If you have any questions about the social media statistics, just reach out to our support team anytime. They will be happy to answer them for you.